doll, and these are my friends Jellybean and Soccer.
Hi, I'm Jellybean the doll.
Hi, I'm Soccer the doll.
And welcome to Julie and Friends. Today on Julie and Friends, we are going to talk more about time. And it can be anything, when you are waking up or going to sleep, when you eat, or when you do something. Now let's begin. Wake up time.
Dress up time.
Breakfast time.
School time.
Learning time.
Snack time.
Work time.
Lunch time.
Playtime.
Going home time.
Dinner time.
Dessert time.
Bedtime.
Nap time.
And anytime. These are the things we do about time. Do you know what time it is for you?
Yes, we do.
For we know what time it is.
What did you learn today?